I'm on a rush job. As you all know, it's Christmas Eve. For a lad who wants this for his father, because to get one from China was 70 something pound. Plus £36 postage. So rather than upset the old fella, the dad, I said, oh, give us a look at it. So they showed it to me, and I said, well, I can probably make that in about 10 minutes, because I'm only doing that part. The oars, the handles is going to be done by somebody else today. Bad. The only thing I'm not happy with is that I got to use this thing, and it's fucking heavy for this sort of delicacies. So firstly, put a cutter in, and we'll cut that out pretty rapidly. I'm going to be in a pretty rush, because it's Christmas Eve, and that's why I'm whispering. I don't know why. Can crusher. I always wanted to make a can crusher, but never got around to it. I think 20 stone does the job anyway. Gives you a little bit of alley in my alley bag. Your alley bag? Your man, my alley bag. So the thing is, you switch this on and you don't stay on like the ones with the thing up there. So it gets a bit fucking awkward. That's what I'm trying to say. That's all it is. I can make a better shape now as soon as I get rid of them. Well, all we need is a flapper. I don't particularly know how the fuck you're supposed to use that. What do our plans? Fucking miles out Tonto it. What was you thinking? Okay, we're gonna do that again. That's better. It's probably because I'm rushing. I don't mean I'm rushing, I mean I'm rushing. And you know, you're not supposed to rush. It's a weird shaped looking thing, but it's for carving. If the boy can't get it through, it won't be as great. But I know I'm sorry how sharp his chisels are, so I don't think it'll take him long to sharpen this pocket, eh? So a shape something like that. Who the fuck used it, I have no idea. Hence, I don't even give a fuck. It's hard. Right. Choice of 2 different angles. Or will I cut that? Oh. Let's just put a tip on this. Right, fuck the rest. You're dealing with the best. I've got to drill 3 holes in these handles so they can do whatever they do. Whoa there. There you go. Swing back around, lads, lasses. Christmas Eve and I'm trying to do somebody a favour. Right. A set of Japanese carving knives. That's what they're called. What was that, 20 minutes? Come on. You can do a favour for 20 minutes.
Thank you.